Boom! And this one? Hard crust. Contrasts. That's one. Boy, oh boy, look at that pizza. So this is how we roll in this house. We pizza ourselves. We make everything from scratch. And that's how we do it. Another one. One is never enough. Remember that. Even ibuprofen, you take two. Look at that. Oh, you might call the army today. Mamma mia. This is what your time is worth in the kitchen. Popeyes, all those fancy places. This is round one. Cheese, dough, mushrooms, kale, and the minced meat. One down, two to go. Oh yes. Somebody wants to eat pizza with a fork. Instead of just doing this, just grab this. Look at that. Close to a Chicago style though. Yo, look at that. Look at that dough. Ooh-wee. Let's try it. Go home. Oh, shut the door. What did I say? Chicken, bell peppers, zucchini, kale. Can I continue? Nice cheese. Can I continue? Mushrooms, sauce made from scratch. Boom! And this one? Hard crust. Contrasts. That's one. So far. Almost done. This one is a more softer crust. See that? Oh yeah, I know people who would like this. But this boy, gosh, this one is so yummy. I wonder how this other one would look like or would taste like. But in the meantime, let's give you a close-up tour. We're doing all new furniture. We also are painting. We're also fixing their storage issues and creating spaces to make sure that things have. If you do not have a pizza tray, please use your baking trays. Still back, a rectangular pizza.